Welcome to my YouTube channel, Vibrating Himta. Dear viewers, in today's video, I'm going to talk about keeping quiet. The central idea of Pablo Neruda's poem Keeping Quiet is the importance of taking a moment of silence and introspection to foster peace, understanding, and unity among people by pausing from the constant activity and noise of the world to better connect with oneself and others around them. Essentially, advocating for a moment of reflection to lead to a deeper understanding of the world and our place within it. Key aspects of poem are introspection. The poem emphasizes the need to look inward and examine one's action and thoughts. Universal connections by suggesting a collective moment of silence. Neruda implies that we can connect with each other on a deeper level, transcending differences. Environmental awareness. Yes, poem also hints at the importance of appreciating the natural world by taking a pause to observe it. Peace and harmony is the ultimate goal of this introspection is to achieve peace and harmony with oneself and with the world around them. Look at these questions now. Yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel by reading the Himter.